Welcome. Today, we're diving into what makes modern poetry truly resonate. First and foremost, modern poetry thrives on genuineness. It's less about crafting perfectly polished, flowery language and more about unearthing authentic emotion. Think of it this way: technical perfection isn't the ultimate goal. A poem can feel raw, even unrefined, but it absolutely must connect with emotional honesty. This means embracing vulnerability and self-expression without fear. Your personal perspective, your unique subjectivity, is not just welcome, it's essential. You don't need to strive for total objectivity. Your truth is powerful. Secondly, modern poetry often embraces a minimalist approach. This isn't about saying less, but about saying more with less. It's about precision, about choosing each word with intention to create a profound impact. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. I hope this inspires your own creative journey. If you found this insightful, consider following along for more discussions on art and expression.